But as they dig into who this man really is, the story only gets weirder and sketchier.
Is he working security for you?
Yeah. Have a good moment, yeah.
That guy is?
Hey, I'll be back shortly. Are you good?
I'm good.
Okay, good?
Yeah.
You want to come back over here?
Yeah.
I was talking to some other guys. So you work for Edmonds PD?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is a part-time gig.
Got you. Do you have your commission card with you today?
Yeah, give me a minute.
Meet 49-year-old Michael Scaletta Teets. He claims to be a detective with the Edmonds Police Department in Washington, but this officer isn't exactly buying that claim.
No? Didn't find it?
Sorry? No, he's going to, it's in my other bag.
Oh, okay.
It's, he's grabbing it now.
Okay, how long have you been
apologize.
working for the Salvation Army?
Sorry?
How long have you been working off duty for the Salvation Army?
I'm here almost every other week.
Every other week?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then I also work down at the KRM.
Okay. And what's your full name?
Scaletta, M-E-Z-Z-Y,
That's your-
S-C-A-L-E-T-T-A.
So your first name is Mezzy?
M-E-Z-Z-Y, correct. Hey, man. Yeah, it's going to be the green bag. And it's got my wallet with the credentials and everything on the side of it. And upstairs. Yeah. My bad. My apologies. Thank you.
Sarge, can you stay over here?
Please grab it. All right, I'll see you in a minute.
Is it a loaded firearm that you have with you, Mr. Scaletta?
Correct.
Okay, can you put your hands on the car, please? Not familiar with the retention of this holster, just keep your hands over there.
Can we not do this in front of everybody? I mean, really?
You're doing just fine. Keep your hand
Okay,
over that.
yeah.
I appreciate
no
it.
problem, man. Can I contact my command as soon as y'all are...
Do you have any other firearms on you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay.
I
Here's
don't.
what you do.
No.
So you're not under arrest right now, but you're being detained, okay?
And so,
His credentials? Okay.
in the front,
What agency did you say you were with?
Edmonds?
You're with Edmonds.
Edmonds, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You understand you're just being detained right now?
I understand the whole process. Yes, I do.
Okay. Is he hired by Salaries?
No, by some company.
He's hired by your company.
Yeah.
Okay. We're concerned that he's impersonating a police officer. It's not credentialed. Do you know for a fact that he's a police officer?
Yeah.
Okay.
You followed through a couple calls last night.
That's the concern. So if he credentials out, well, this will all be fine.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, what'd you say your name was?
I'm sorry.
What'd you say your name was?
Message Scaletta.
Is it okay if I check your credentials?
Absolutely,
with you?
can you grab my credentials
Yeah.
and everything?
Yep. Where is it at? In the front?
Should be. Actually, is it where the radios are? It's the other. Yeah, it's there. Sorry.
What was your first name?
Mezzy. M-E-Z-Z-Y.
Mezzy, I'm trying. Do you understand why you're detained right now or no?
I don't know
I think
why,
I can.
why you did doing what you're doing. But,
Okay.
Right?
Is it okay if I explain some of it?
Sure.
Okay. So first off, if you are a commissioned police officer in this state, you'll be taken out of cuffs, and I will formally apologize.
Thank you.
Okay.
No problem.
All right. Here's a couple problems though. I'm one of the supervisors in the city right now. If Salvation Army is hiring uniformed commissioned law enforcement, who's going to be carrying badge, gun, vest, especially not in our agency. So if you're us, and especially if you're law enforcement, you understand. We see a guy with detective badge, police badge. I think there's a SWAT badge somewhere.
Yeah.
On there as well, right? In our jurisdiction, and we haven't been notified that hey, Salvation Army's got armed law enforcement, and that's not true. You might have just been going from your employment to your car. However, when we came across you, right, you're uniformed and armed. When we came across you, that's an accurate statement. The concern is, especially because we weren't given notification, right?
I'm not operating. I'm not working. I'm not.
Well, here's the problem.
Leaving.
With that. Well, it's Mezzy, right?
Correct.
Here's the problem with that. You're leaving. Even if you're leaving, Salvation Army, this is the #1 crime hotspot in the entire city for us.
I know this.
Let me tell you.
I'm a retired Baltimore City.
Okay.
27 years. I come out here.
Then
Okay,
let
you
me
know what I mean?
talk.
I get it.
Then let me
I'm
talk.
sorry.
I think we're getting our wires crossed a little bit, because what I'm trying to get you to understand is, I understand that you're just leaving if you're off duty. If you know this is the highest crime area in the city, and you know that that's likely to do with your law enforcement experience, and we're going to be in the area, probably not the best idea to be wearing a vest, armed, going to and from, because it's going to make us think some things, up to and including possible criminal impersonation of a police officer. That's why you're detained. We get all that checked out, and you know what? This might be an error for their bosses and our bosses, because if this is all true, right? And we weren't, and we just weren't notified. That's what could have solved this, is an email saying, hey, just so you know, there's a guy, he's law enforcement, he's being hired off duty at Salvation Army. You may see him come and go from the parking lot. That's what we'd say. Sounds good. We've heard nothing.
Okay.
Have you heard anything about this? No. Have you heard anything about this?
We might have called Edmonds last night.
The sheriff?
What?
We might have called Edmonds PD last night.
Yeah.
Not on the payroll.
Say it again.
You're not on the payroll with Edmonds PD.
Maryland. 4 years ago, I came out here. I worked at the detention center for a little while. They put me in the detention center. I didn't like it. I was able to secure a spot over at Edmonds after getting some other certifications, and it's the 18-month contract. So with the investigations.
So you're only contracted to work 18 months?
It's good. Yeah, that's what it is. Yes.
You said you've been at Edmonds for 18 months, but then you said you're only contracted to work.
I got another 18 months left.
Okay.
Okay, so I did the 2 year.
Mm-hmm.
That signed on for the 2 years.
The only reason I was walking away is I was going to be, hey, we've got possible criminal impersonation. Hey, this guy's armed. I was just going to meet him for 1 or 2 more.
I know,
That's all.
he was making me real uncomfortable.
Gotcha. And I picked up on that. I just wanted to let you know.
You know, I understand your point of view. I'm not arguing with you. I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
I don't think you're being disrespectful.
I'm just kind of irritated with it, right? I think it could have been done a little bit differently.
You're irritated?
Yeah.
Talk to me.
I wasn't operating. I wasn't. Hey, listen, man. You guys saw it. I get where you're coming from.
I came in, Graves started telling me about it, and I was like, no.
Did they have PC?
They were checking out a transit started a fire last night, and he pulled up on Casey and turned on blue emergency lights inside the car, and got out and was like, hey, I'm with Edmonds.
In 2015, he was involved in like a SWAT incident where he barricaded himself inside and had like a whole like threat of like blow the place up. So it was like a bomb threat. SWAT was involved. They came out. He was detained and arrested in District of Columbia. That was from Lynx back in 2015.
So where are you staying while you're in Bremerton?
Sorry?
Where are you staying while you're in Bremerton?
What do
Are
you
you
mean,
on an
where am I
op or
staying?
something?
Sorry?
What brings you to Bremerton?
For this off-duty gig. I live in Thurston and Lacey.
It's a far drive.
It is. It's a lot.
Why not work in Thurston?
I lived there. We were having issues. I didn't want to work in the jail anymore.
What kind of issues?
Dealing with the same people that we were dealing with. And some of the politics. Derek, I love him. He's a great guy.
Derek
Sanders.
Sanders.
Right. When he became sheriff, a lot of things have changed. Sorry?
As some of their suspicions start to check out, officers get more pushy with Michael, and soon they're about to find out the fire wasn't the only call he'd shown up to the night before.
Tell me what happened in 2015 with Baltimore PD.
The riots.
I think you know exactly what I'm talking about.
The unit, yeah. I worked in the Eastern Prison. We knew the feds were there.
Mm-hmm.
But you keep your nose clean. You don't have to worry about.
Well, I'm talking about the offense where you were arrested in Baltimore City.
Me?
In 2015.
I was arrested. I wasn't arrested. Never been arrested.
Never been arrested.
No.
Never once.
Never been arrested.
So when I search you in our police database and your name and date of birth come back with an incident in 2015 with the District of Columbia, which is obviously Washington, D.C.
That's DC. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You said no. Go, take me on APIS right now. Never. I don't know what I'm talking about.
The shirt is in the plastic. His reflective vest is straight from Galls.
Yeah, look, he's got a firefighter helmet too.
Jesus Christ, man.
We're gonna do it all.
Can we check my vehicle? Can you check?
Absolutely. If you wanna search.
You guys can do it. Go ahead.
Where's your key at?
It's open.
Oh, okay.
It's a black plastic bag. It's got some Gatorade in it,
Right.
and it's got my
I
wallet.
just want to confirm you're giving us the consent to search the vehicle. I just want to hear from you, yes or no. Are you giving us consent to search the vehicle?
What, y'all are gonna tear my vehicle apart?
We're gonna search the vehicle.
No.
We're not gonna like.
We're done. All right. We're done. No.
No. Okay.
You're not gonna tear my vehicle up. No.
Okay.
Apply for a search warrant. Do what you gotta do.
Let's remove the gear. Let's solve that problem.
Okay. He's going to jail. One time and stuff. It's a big no. You know, I know you. I'm not like pointing something at you. I'm just explaining the reason for the response. Okay. Yeah.
He's a convicted felon. He's been to prison. He's carrying a firearm.
Jacob would like to get his Bible out of your car.
He just grabbed the Bible.
Yeah.
I don't have COVID no more. I took a test and it was negative, but I was out sick, so
You don't have COVID?
I did have.
Oh,
I
okay.
was out. I'm not sick no more. I was able to return back to work. I was treatment, but my mouth is dry.
No drink water?
No ankle holster, nothing like that.
Sorry.
No ankle holster, secondary firearm.
No, absolutely not. I'm not going to pull no weapons, no other weapons. You got everything right here.
Is it? Oh, it's the cell phone. Okay. Yeah, I can go like them.
Do you have anything else in your pockets, like your wallet?
I believe I have my vape in the side.
Okay.
In this
Do
pocket.
you mind if we take that out? He was walking around. He had an outer vest on, outer carrier. He had a lot of police gear. Had a full belt, fully kitted. His vehicle is a new Ford Explorer outfitted with blue lights, like police lights. He is wearing police gear that has police on the back. His uniform has SWAT patches on it, and the badge that he is wearing says Edmonds Detective, badge number 360. Okay. He's impersonating a police officer, which is criminal impersonation in the second degree.
I'm so sorry, sir. I just woke up.
Okay. He's being arrested for criminal impersonation and unlawful possession of a firearm.
I'm so confused right now.
What part is confusing?
Just this whole thing. I mean, I thought that he went to work last night.
Does he work at Salvation Army?
What?
Does he work at the Salvation Army in Bremerton?
No, he's supposed to be Bremerton Kitsap.
Doing what?
Well, I know he's a reserves police officer. That's what he told me. That's the work he's doing.
He's a reserves police officer for who?
You know what? I don't know what. I know he's contracted. That's what he's told me.
The legal foundation of this case rests on a Washington statute most viewers have never heard of. Under Washington Revised Code Section 9, A.60.040, criminal impersonation in the first degree is a Class C felony, 5 years maximum prison and a $10,000 fine. The statute requires two separate elements: pretending to be a public servant and acting in that pretended capacity. Most fake cop cases are misdemeanors. Under Washington Revised Code Section 9, A.60.045, simply wearing a costume or claiming a title is criminal impersonation second degree, a gross misdemeanor. Up to 364 days jail. The elevation to first-degree felony requires the suspect to take significant enforcement action to actually exercise pretended authority. On this footage, every element is met 3 times over. The suspect interviewed a transient about a suspicious death that is investigative authority. He directed traffic at an accident scene with vehicle-mounted blue emergency lights that is operational authority. He told customers at a 7-Eleven they had to leave the property that is trespass enforcement authority. Each act independently satisfies the felony elevation requirement.
Mr. Scaletta, you were convicted of, it looks like, a bomb hoax.
What?
A bomb hoax in 2015.
Say what?
In 2015, you were convicted hoax by false bomb. And you were sentenced to 4 months in prison.
What? No, bro.
Did you get your firearms rights restored?
Sorry, I'm not doing it. I'm just adjusting. I'm just kind of laid back on my seat.
Yeah.
I invoke my rights, man. This is all your investigation. I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm not.
No,
don't take it the wrong way.
This is probably a little bit overkill, but given the apprehension that Kersey gave last night about this case, will you guys walk around and see how many people you can talk to that will say, yes, this guy said he was a cop?
We just arrested a guy for impersonation of a police officer. He's dressed like us. He's got a badge like us.
Oh, this police guy?
Yeah. He had a gun on his head.
He's all night here walking.
All night here?
Yeah, all night. He's walking and around here and in this side and badge and weapon. This and 3-4 times he's come inside.
Inside the store?
Yeah, he's around purchase some drink.
Yeah.
And I call for one. Some people have 24 hours, so I call 911. Your colleague is come, so he's together come.
He was talking to customers, telling them,
customers inside.
and he told them that he was a police officer?
Yeah.
When he came up to your window, shining the light in and stuff like that,
Right.
did you get a feeling
That it was one of you guys.
Yeah, so that it was one of us.
Scared
But were you getting a feeling like you were being
harassed,
like questioned during like a police investigation? Or you feel like you were like he was kind of like detaining
he
you at
kind of
any point?
leaned in there. He would kind of lean in there, you know. He made a suggestion. Remember I told you. He said, well, you know, if I ever need something or any information, I know I can count on you. And I'm looking at this guy like, I can't believe
I don't
he
even know
just
who
said
you
that.
are.
Yeah, and then he said, then he started telling me about how he's going to have control of the narcotics department. He's going to be running some of you guys' units. He's been promoted, and he's moving up here this way. The last time I seen him, he was drunk as a mother. And he was on duty. Everybody knew he was drinking. He was drunk. You could smell it on his breath. You could smell it around him.
Yeah.
He was drunk. But, you know, like I said, he was a lot out of character yesterday for me. I'm glad you guys caught him because he's been telling big stories.
He told you, he told me that he went there to respond.
Was it like for a turnover thing?
He says he had to take a break from here to go there.
I will volunteer some additional, like the first time he works, his first assignment with our security team. We were working at a convention downtown, and all our posts are in the interior of the convention center. And I got a call from Vincent Security that the police were in the roadway redirecting traffic because there was a car accident at the entrance of the parking garage. Car had crashed, and when I went up to look, it was my guy here.
He's directing traffic?
Yeah, he had his vehicle in the car. He had his vehicle in the roadway, kind of angled to come forward. He was using his flashlight, rerouting people away from the area where the...
Did he have emergency lights turned on in the car too?
I don't remember for sure.
Okay.